AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here, but AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR.
Are your ulcerative colitis symptoms proving difficult to manage? Tremfya guselkumab can help you manage the cycle of UC symptoms. At 1 year, many patients taking Tremfya achieved clinical remission, and some patients also achieved endoscopic remission. Individual results may vary. Tremfya is a prescription medicine used to treat adults with moderately to severely active ulcerative colitis. Serious allergic reactions and increased risk of infections may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and TB. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, flu-like symptoms, or if you need a vaccine. Ask your doctor if Tremfya can help you manage the cycle of UC symptoms. Call 1-800-526-7736 to learn more, or visit tremfyaradio.com.
It's 8 a.m. Eastern, March 11th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down 0.5% at $81,523. ETH is down 0.5% at $1,899. XRP is down 0.5% at $2.13. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, is looking to raise up to $21 billion through its 8% Series A perpetual strike preferred stock to buy more Bitcoin, and for general corporate purposes, the stock will have a liquidation preference and pay 8% annual dividends. Holders can convert shares into Class A common stock under certain conditions, and Strategy can buy back all outstanding preferred stock if its value drops below 25% of the original issue. This raise is part of Strategy's 21-21st plan, targeting $42 billion in equity and fixed income sales for Bitcoin acquisitions. The company stock MSTR fell 6% with the market on Friday. While Ark Invest bought $11 million of Coinbase shares as coin dropped 18%, the firm split the purchase between its Ark Innovation ETF and Ark Fintech Innovation ETF. This follows recent buys totaling $28 million over 3 weeks. Crypto-related stocks took a hit, with Coinbase down 18%, Strategy dropping 17%, and Mara falling 16%. Bitcoin slid 8%, and the GMCI 30 index of top cryptos fell 8%. Mt. Gox moved $905 million in Bitcoin to an unmarked wallet on Monday and 332 BTC to its warm wallet. The funds remain unspent. Past Bitcoin movements from Mt. Gox preceded creditor repayments, but it's unclear if this transfer is related. Some creditors received payments via Kraken and Bitstamp, but the repayment deadline was pushed to October 2025. The exchange still holds $2.8 billion in BTC. While Nuffle Labs, an independent entity from the Near Foundation, has rebranded to More Markets and shifted focus to an integrated liquidity marketplace, the platform will allow non-EVM tokens to generate yield on decentralized exchanges without leaving their original networks. More Markets is developing a DeFi stack that includes deposit vaults, cross-chain messaging, and yield aggregation to provide liquidity across chains. The goal is to enable native assets to stay within their home networks while accessing DeFi. And finally, a crypto whale narrowly avoided liquidation on Maker after ETH dropped close to their liquidation price. They added 2,000 ETH and later $1.5 million in DAI to buy time, lowering his liquidation price to $1,836. Their $75 million loan is backed by 65,675 ETH at a 182% debt to collateral ratio. ETH remains volatile, and if it drops below $1,836, liquidation is likely unless he adds more collateral or repays debt. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
Hi, I'm Rick Rubeck.
And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Are you interested in becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, and being your own boss?
Our new podcast from Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small, explores becoming an entrepreneur through the acquisition of an enduringly profitable small business. In this series, we guide listeners how to buy their own small business, including determining if this path is right for them, evaluating prospects, raising the capital they'll need to purchase a small business, closing the deal, and more.
Follow Think Big, Buy Small, wherever you get your podcasts.
How are business leaders working to confront climate change? For that answer, listen to the award-winning Climate Rising podcast, produced by Harvard Business School and hosted by me, Mike Toffel, a professor at HBS. Each episode, we share a behind-the-scenes view into how startups and the biggest businesses like Microsoft, Google, and Seventh Generation are tackling the central issue of our era. Check out Climate Rising wherever you get your podcasts.